Hi, eighth grade. How are you? I miss you so much. I miss our diagramming time together. What? What happened to that? Okay, well, we are going to continue to work on some grammar. I will have a tutorial up for you for some IXLs I'd like you to do. But this is a tutorial on what I call a hyperdoc. Now, a hyperdoc is something I'm also doing with another class. It just kind of lets you work through at your own pace. So start with a video, and then you just work through as you want. The assignment I want is going to be due by Friday, so remember that. You also have your right bingo. Remember we had started that before all of this craziness happened. So the right bingo, your choice will be due each Monday as well. We're just going to continue that. And I do have the PDF up in our e-learning file. So don't forget to work on that. You can have some really creative, fun topics right now. Okay, and if you have an idea up or an idea that I don't have on the right bingo, just shoot me an email and let me know. We'll be fine. All right, let's look at the hyperdoc, okay? All right, so the hyperdoc, the way this works is I've given you a shareable link. And what I want you to do is I want you to make a copy of this because I think that's just the easiest. So you are going to go to make a copy, and then you will make a copy, and then you'll rename it. And you'll rename it your name, and you could just put adverb if you want, okay? I'm going to go back to this one. All right, and you'll rename it right up here. Okay, so I started with just a quote. I liked this quote. Grammar is the pole you grab to get your thoughts up on their feet and walking. Stephen King's done a lot of writing. He should kind of know how important grammar is. So I like that. All right. So then I want you to watch the following videos. The first one, I am so proud of myself. I made a cartoon. Ah! I made this cartoon and I'd like you guys to watch it. Now it's nothing fancy, and I do realize that I say, check it out way too much, but it's there. So watch that, please. And then I also found this cool song on YouTube. All right. And then I have the video up for the IXLs HH5 and HH8 for this week. And that will kind of help explain those. So your job is by Friday to have your HH5, HH8, and HH9 completed. And then I want you to create a fun way to either teach or learn adverbs. Maybe you create your own animation or a song or a poem, a dance, a video game, whatever you choose. I'll make this part to do the 13th, okay? All right, so maybe you go to Animaker or Powtoon, those are ways, or maybe you have another website that you can use to create a fun cartoon. Maybe you write a song and sing it in video format for me, or you send me a poem about it. Maybe you find this really cool, you make a board game and you videotape yourself playing with your sibling. Or you make a video game and you send that to me. Either way is fine. So share it. You can share it with me in Schoology or via email, whichever one you're comfortable in. And then you're going to go to Padlet. And you'll click on this link here to Padlet. And you're going to give me your feedback. Okay, so what have you learned? How are you going to use them in your writing? And all you have to do is double click and you can open up another box like this. Okay, I love adverbs. All right. If you have questions or you're still not sure about adverbs, you can watch the Schoolhouse Rock adverb one. Show it to your mom and dad. I bet they remember it. Okay? But otherwise, don't hesitate to reach out to me. Okay? Send me a text message. Send me an email. If I need to meet with you in my Zoom room, we can meet there. It is fine. Don't get frustrated. Just work on it, okay? All right, guys. I miss you all. I love you all. I'll see you soon. Bye.